Okay, so notes 9-1, mean, median, mode, and range. So it's going to review some vocab at the top. Maximum value is your largest value, okay? Minimum value is going to be your smallest value. Mean is your average. That mean teacher gave me my average. She added all my grades up and divided by how many there were. That's my average. My median is your middle number, but it first must be ordered least to greatest, okay? Your mode is the most occurring number. Your range is your maximum minus your minimum, so your biggest minus your smallest. And your outlier are numbers that are significantly larger or smaller than the rest. Okay, so we're going to have a little discussion. So if I were to take all of the ages in the room, okay? So we could go through all of the ages, and I mean everybody in the room, so that would include me, right? Okay, my age would be an outlier. And it would be an outlier because it's significantly larger than you guys' age. Most people, anybody in here 12? 12, 1, 2. So we got two 12-year-olds, right? Okay. And then we have how many 13-year-olds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then how many, I'm just going to say 12. How many 14-year-olds? Anybody 14? Okay. So, and then you throw my age in there. So like if I do this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you say, boom, there I am. Okay? Yeah, so
24.
Thanks, buddy. Good job sucking up right there. Okay? So 38 is an outlier because it's significantly different than the rest. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It's going to be a further away, okay? If you put, at this point, the average would be right in that 12 point something, but my age is going to take it up, the average up, and it's going to, what an outlier does, it messes with the data. Does that make sense? If you throw, your age should be somewhere in like 12.8. around there or something like that, the average age in this room. You throw my age in there, and it's going to jack it up to 13 something, okay? Because my age significantly skews the data. Okay, so look at the first one. Find the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, so first of all, before we do anything, we're going to put them in least to greatest order, okay? So we're going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 22. We're good with that? Okay, so now I'm going to find the average. That means I'm going to add them all up. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 22 is 52. Are y'all good with that?
Yes, ma'am.
How many numbers are there?
52.
6. 52 divided by 6. Just for time, I'm going to go ahead and divide 52 by 6. And I'm going to get 8.6 repeating. Okay? So I'm going to round it up to, does it say in the directions? I'm going to round it up to 8.7. We're going to round it to the nearest tenth for today. Okay. Now we're going to look at the next word, mode. That is the one that occurs the most. Is there one that repeats?
No.
Nope. It isn't. There one occurs. So we're going to say there is no mode. Okay. My median is my middle number. If I have an even amount of numbers, so currently I have an even amount of numbers, right? There's 6. So I can count. So I don't know. Remember, you probably did the point method before and worked your way backwards, which still works. But like we're going to say 2 and 22. And then 4 and 10. And 6 and 8. So it's going to go fall right between 6 and 8. So 7 is between 6 and 8. And then my range is my greatest minus my least, which is 20. Now, outliers. I'm going to say that an outlier on this data would be 22. It's significantly larger than the rest of the numbers, right? So I'm going to say outlier is 22. Okay. Number 2. The mean. We're going to line them up first. So we're going to say 8, 8, 11, 13, and 13. I just think it's easier just to line it up first if you know you're going to find it anyways. Okay, my mean is my average. So 8 plus 8 plus 11 plus 13 plus 13 is 53. How many numbers are there? 5. There's 5. Okay, so 53 divided by 5 is 10.6. Okay, so 10.6 is my mean. My mode is the one that occurs the most. Yeah, we can have more than one mode. If they occur twice, then we would say 8 and 13 can be 2 modes. There can be no mode, there can be 2 modes, there can be multiple modes. Okay, our median is our middle number. When we have so earlier we had an even number and it's split between 2. When we have an odd number, it is a specific 1. So it's going to be 11. And then my range is my greatest minus my least, which is 5. And there are no outliers. Okay, number 3. It looks like it's already written in least to greatest to me, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's find the mean. 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 14 is 210 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 21. Okay. My mode would be what? 14. 15's not the same. 14 has the most. 14 has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to stay with that one. My median is my middle number. So here we're going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
14.
Yeah, so it's right between 14, which is 14. I would count. Guys, you can count. If that works best for you, just like this. Here, 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 here. You can mark it out. There's lots of different ways to find it. Whatever works best for you. I'm not going to say you need to do it this way. Okay? Range is your greatest minus your least, which is 42. I'm going to say that you have 2 outliers. Okay? You can't have more than one. 48 and 53 are significantly different, aren't they? Yeah. Yes, so I'm going to say outliers are 48 and 53. Okay. Okay, look at our next. Number 4. Find the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, let's line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's funny. Okay. So my mean is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 divided by 5, which is 3. My mode is what? No, there's nothing repeating. My median, my middle number. The median is 3. Okay? Here, 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 here. And then so remember, if it's odd, it's a specific number. Okay? If it's even. Okay, my range is my greatest minus my least, which is 4. Okay, I want you to try 5 and 6, or just do 5 on your own right now. Okay, so you're probably pretty close. So I got 72 as my total for my, added all my numbers. I should have got 11, 14, 14, 15, and 18. So 72 divided by 5 is 14.4. Okay. My mode is going to be 14 because it's the only one that occurs twice. My median is going to be 14 because it's right in the middle. Look, 1, 2, so it's got that. My range is 18 minus 11, which is 7, and that's what you should have got on that one. Okay, our last, we got 2 more. Okay, I want you to work the next 2, and then you'll check your answers on up here, and then we'll grab the homework. So pause the video right here.